Hey everybody, it's Bill at Whole Life Soaps. Merry Christmas! But I'm not making a Christmas soap today. I am making one of my spring soaps. This is our Jasmine soap. And here in the mold, I have got some, I took some soap curls and I cut it into layers. And so I have like it's probably about a ½ inch thick. It's going to be the base or maybe the top, depending on how it turns out when I get done. But that is what we're going to do. So we're just going to walk you through it. I had customers coming into my store and I couldn't talk on video, so that's why you have me over here. Hi in the picture, you know. But it's winter. I'm also the bearded wonder right now. So anyway, let's check out what I'm doing. I'm bringing over our soap. That was a red and a blue, and then I've got the main batch coming back right now. So there it is. And I'm going to show you kind of what I did, because it broke here in the middle, so I'll just pull up this little piece. Okay, but see, it's about a ½ inch thick, and that is going to be the base of my soap. And I hope it's going to look cool. It doesn't quite fill in the whole bottom, so the soap's going to spread underneath, but once I trim it and shave it, it'll probably create a nice effect. Okay, so anyway, so let's get to pouring so you can see how I make this. I'm going to just pour a little bit of the white in, and then I'm going to put a string of color in it. And by string, I'm going to go straight down the middle with the orange, and then I'm going to go straight down the middle with the blue. Just to make sure no customers are coming in. I am open. I'm going to put a little bit more white in right now. And that's okay if it does all that, because it's going to look cool. Makes a nice swirl. I forgot my spatula, so I'm not going to be able to clean that out. I do have customers in the store when I'm doing this, so I'm in a hurry as well. And then I have the orange. I'm just putting the last of it in there, putting that line on top. Now, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to take my coat hanger tool, and it's a coat hanger with a dowel on it, and I'm going to use that to make my swirl. I'm going to push it in. I'm just going to rotate it. And by doing that, I'm going to hopefully make a swirly motion in the soap. Hopefully I didn't do it too much. I tend to overkill it and screw it up. We'll find out in a few days when it gets cut, but that's it. That is my Jasmine soap. So I hope you're all having a Merry Christmas. I hope you're all having a Happy New Year. And this is going to be part of our spring line. I'm going to have jasmine, gardenia, and a few other flowers for, Easter. It's going to be nice. Anyway, I'm Bill, Whole Life Soaps. Talk to you later, guys. Peace out. This is the last video from me probably for 2019.